Are you tired of battling hormonal acne and feeling stuck with breakouts that just won't quit? In this video, I am sharing 5 must-have foods that will help heal your hormonal acne naturally. And spoiler alert, you probably already have some of these in your kitchen. So stick around to the end for a free gift that will actually make your healing journey even easier. Hi, my name is Dr. Symone. I am a naturopathic doctor who helps busy and stressed women achieve clear skin and a calm confidence. I know firsthand how frustrating, so frustrating, hormonal acne can be, but I also know that healing is possible with the right approach. If you are ready to take back control of your skin, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful foods that balance your hormones, reduce inflammation, get your gut health together, and set you on the path to clear, glowing skin. Let's get started. First up, avocados. These are a hormone balancing superfood loaded with healthy fats that support your body's production of progesterone. Progesterone is an essential hormone for clear skin. Progesterone helps balance the effects of estrogen. So think of estrogen and progesterone on a seesaw. If you have low progesterone, then you'll have high estrogen. And so essentially what we want to do is we want to keep these balanced. Progesterone also helps with reducing oil production and, once again, reducing that inflammation. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, which reduces inflammation and helps repair skin damage. You can add them to smoothies, salads, and even spread them on toast for a delicious skin-loving boost. I love some avocado toast, let me just tell you. Number 2, we are going to talk about wild-caught salmon. So salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids which help fight inflammation and regulate hormones like cortisol. Cortisol is our stress hormone that often worsens with breakouts. Chronic stress increases inflammation, which elevates our cortisol levels. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and indirectly lowering cortisol. Omega-3s are great with keeping your skin hydrated and glowing from within. You can add salmon to your meals about once or twice a week. You can also add in mackerel or sardines. For number 3, we are going to talk about cruciferous vegetables. So think broccoli, kale, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. These veggies are rich in compounds that support your liver, which is crucial for detoxing excess estrogen, aka estrogen dominance. The main compounds are sulfur-containing compounds. When you break down those compounds via chewing, cooking, or digestion, they form bioactive compounds like indole-3 carbinol and sulforaphane. These compounds, they support phase 1 and phase 2 of liver detoxification, helping the liver process and eliminate excess hormones. Or they also help with promoting the metabolism of estrogen into less harmful forms, reducing the risk of estrogen dominance. Number 3 that they also help with is they help with reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are both linked to acne. Plus, cruciferous vegetables are high in fiber, which helps keep your digestion and your hormone levels balanced. You can try adding a side of roasted broccoli or Brussels sprouts or even kale chips to any of your meals for a simple yet effective fix. Number 4 are flax seeds. Flax seeds are game changers. They contain ligands and omega-3s, which help regulate estrogen levels and improve overall hormone balance. They are also high in fiber, soluble and insoluble fiber. However, mostly they contain insoluble flour. Overall, the fiber helps support gut health. Another key to clear skin, soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in the gut. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which strengthen the gut lining, preventing leaky gut, and reduce inflammation, which can exacerbate acne. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, which is super crucial because poor digestion can lead to reabsorption of toxins and excess estrogen that the liver has already processed. Reabsorbed estrogen can disrupt hormonal acne and or can disrupt, hormonal balance and trigger acne. With flax seeds, you can sprinkle them on your oatmeal, yogurt, and smoothies. It's super easy to add them in your day. Number 5, and finally, we are going to talk about sweet potatoes. These are an amazing source of beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin a nutrient essential for healthy skin. Sweet potatoes also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that can lead to acne. Also, with stable blood sugar, it relieves stress from the adrenals. Healthy adrenal function supports optimal production of progesterone, as the adrenal glands produce small amounts of that hormone. With sweet potatoes, you can roast them, you can mash them, you can toss them into a salad for a delicious skin healing meal. And so there you have it. Those are the 5 powerhouse foods to heal hormonal acne and to bring your skin back into balance. But these are just the beginning. I've created a free clear skin blueprint to help you dive even deeper. Inside, you'll find a full list of hormone healing foods, recipes, and also a 5-day grocery list so that you can get started right away. Click the link in the description to download your free guide. Also, if you are ready to take your healing to the next level, you can sign up for one of my one-on-one coaching program, which is a personalized plan for you. Together, we will uncover the root cause of your acne and create a step-by-step system tailored to your lifestyle. You can find that in the link below, and you can book a free consultation with me. Remember, your healing your hormonal acne is a journey. It is not a quick fix, and you are worth the time and effort that it takes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. In the comments, let me know which of these foods you are excited to add to your diet. I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay radiant and take care of yourself. Bye.